So I want to talk for a second about some interesting paradigms that I figured out really early on as I was building my business that helped me to build a 7-figure business. A lot of people don't think like this when they're starting their business, and I was kind of surprised it wasn't happening, but I really think it made all the difference. So one of the things that I did differently was I worked for free for a whole year. Now, how can you build a business if you're working for free? Well, let me explain. What I did was I put out a ton of content in the marketplace, okay? I sat down, I spent hours and hours and hours every day writing blog posts, making videos, answering questions for people, being of service. The only ask that I made was, hey, sign up for my free email list where I can send you more free stuff and give more free value, right? So what most people do, which is the counter side of that, is they say, you know, I'm starting a new business, I wanna make money today. I'm gonna do a free plus shipping offer. We're gonna immediately try to monetize that customer on day one. And that's fine, but understand there's gonna be a little bit of a barrier when you're asking somebody to give you money from day one. What I did instead, again, just gave value, built relationships, okay? We built up an email list of thousands of people in the beginning. And then finally, when people actually asked me, as opposed to me forcing my product down their throat, they asked me to build a product, something that was a solution to their problems. We ended up having a 10% conversion rate on our very first product launch. What do I mean by 10% conversion rate? Why is this such a big deal? Well, normally in a direct response type marketing info products business where you're selling courses or DVDs or coaching, you're gonna get like a 1 or 2% conversion. But we had a 5 to 10x higher conversion on our very first product because all I did was give for a full year. Now, there have been plenty of other things I could have done with my time. I could have gotten a job doing something else. I could have actually done consulting one-on-one during that time and maybe made $100,000 during that time, but it wasn't scalable. I built the infrastructure of that business, give for free, and that's how I ended up making millions, by working for free.